Have you ever wondered, why was Python even created in the first place? What problem was it trying to solve? And why does it feel so much more elegant than many other languages? To get the answers, we will have to rewind to the late 1980s, before smartphones, before Google, and meet a man who just wanted to make programming a little more human. Back in the 1980s, programming wasn't beginner-friendly. Most languages were verbose, complicated, and hard to experiment with. Guido van Rossum, a Dutch programmer at a research institute called CWI in the Netherlands, was working with a language called ABC. ABC was simple and readable, a language designed for teaching non-programmers. But it wasn't flexible. It lacked the power and openness that professionals needed. Guido liked the elegance of ABC, but he wanted something more powerful, something you could actually build real-world applications with, without losing simplicity. From the start, Guido designed Python with a clear philosophy. Code should be readable. There should be one obvious way to do things. Simple is better than complex. This wasn't just about syntax, it was about developer happiness. Instead of writing 10 lines of boilerplate, you could solve problems in fewer, clearer lines. And Python made things like file handling, data structures, and even scripting so much easier. In 1989, during his Christmas holidays, Guido van Rossum started a side project. He wanted to build a new language, one that combined the best of both worlds, the readability and elegance of ABC, the power and extensibility of C and Unix tools. He called it Python, not after the snake, but after Monty Python's Flying Circus, a British comedy show he loved. He wanted programming to feel fun, not frustrating. The first public release came in 1991, Python 0.9.0. It already had key features we still use today: functions, exceptions, lists, dictionaries, and modules. By 1994, Python 1.0 was out. Slowly, a small but passionate community began forming. Scientists, educators, and developers who loved the clean syntax and simplicity. Other languages demanded deep setup and complex syntax. Python, you could just install it and start writing code. No class declarations needed, no compilation, no headache. Python let you think in code, not fight with it. Fast forward to today, Python is the #1 language for AI, machine learning, automation, data science, and even web development. It powers YouTube, Netflix, Instagram, Dropbox, and it's often the first language people learn. All because Guido wanted to make a programmer's life easier without sacrificing power. So the next time you write a few lines of Python and marvel at how natural it feels, remember, it wasn't by accident, it was by design. If you enjoyed this story, hit the like button, share it with your fellow coders, and subscribe for more deep dives into the history of tech. See you in the next one.